Here we have learned three methods to determine the order of reaction. Ostwald isolation method goes in little bit detail. See, till now I said suppose if we have a reaction where R2P, one reactant is converting to one product, rather say 1 mole of reactant is converting to 1 mole of product, correct or not? But how many reactions do you come across where 1 mole of reactant gets converted into 1 mole of product? Tell me, give me one reaction like that जहां पे 1 mole of reactant 1 mole product के अंदर कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. ऐसा मुझे एक रिएक्शन बताओ. I'll give you one. H2O solid converting to H2O liquid. Correct? Any other reaction? Most of the reaction where you get is like this. Okay, reactant A is reacting with another reactant, is reacting with another reactant, giving you two more products. Yes or no? Correct? तो अगर हमारे पास 1 मोल रिएक्टेंट टू 1 मोल प्रोडक्ट है तो उसका रेट फाइंड करना आता है, उसका ऑर्डर भी फाइंड करना आता है, लेकिन एक से ज्यादा जब होता है तो कैसे करें? तो उसके लिए हमारे ओस्टवाल भाई साहब ने एक अच्छी मेथड दी है, एंड द मेथड सेज ओस्टवाल आइसोलेशन मेथड. व्हाट डज इट से? ओस्टवाल आइसोलेशन मेथड. उसमें करते क्या? लेट मी शो इट टू यू. सी, फॉर दिस रिएक्शन अगर हमारे पास रेट ये मिला है K A raised to A, B raised to B and C raised to C, and we need to determine each one of them, small a, small b and small c, બધાને જ find કરવાનું છે. We want to find out each one of them. How will we do that? Okay, Ostwald says isolate. If you do isolation you will get the answer. How? Let me explain you. Suppose if I want to determine the power of A, or rather say order of A, what will I do? जब इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लेते हैं तो इसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हम लेंगे 0.01 मोलारिटी, इसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लेंगे 10 मोलारिटी, इसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लेंगे 10 मोलारिटी. करेक्ट? तो जब रिएक्शन होगा ये पूरा कितना यूज होगा? 0.01. ये कितना यूज होगा? 0.01. ये कितना यूज होगा? 0.01. एट द एंड ऑफ रिएक्शन दिस बिकम्स 0. ये कितना बाकी रहेगा? ये कितना बाकी रहेगा? And 9.99, isn't it almost equal to 10? That means throughout the reaction concentration of B and C remain constant. That means concentration of B and C remain constant. अगर ये constant है और KB constant है तो इन दोनों को मिला के can't I write a new constant K0 where K0 equals to K into B raised to B, C raised to C. Please add this K. ये K वहां पे नहीं है. Where K0 equals to K, B raised to B, C raised to C. बराबर है कि नहीं? करेक्ट? तो अभी आपके पास बच गया क्या खाली? K0 equals to A raised to A. If you have only one reactant, then can't you find out its order by using three of the other methods? Half-life method or the graphical method or integrated rate equation method. Yes or no? We can find out. मतलब A की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी स्मॉल a की. करेक्ट और नॉट? ये पहली बार हमने ये किया. सेकंड टाइम हम क्या करेंगे? अभी हमको B फाइंड करना है. What shall we do? Keep concentration of A very high, concentration of C very high, and keeping concentration of B low, we can find out the order of B. Yes or no? And the third time what are we going to do? Keep concentration of A very high, keep concentration of B very high, and keeping concentration of C very low. You can find out the value of C. ये किसने हमें बताया? Ostwald भाई साहब ने. So this is known as Ostwald's isolation method.